Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom size design on Canva. So here I've already opened canva.com, and as you know, Canva has come with a lot of size for YouTube thumbnail, docs, whiteboard and others. But if you cannot find the size that you want in here, you can always create a custom size. For example, I want to create a banner for my Google Forms, so since there are no that size in here, you can just click on this custom size options to create the a customizable size. So you can just click on this and set the width and also the height to how you like it. You can also change units from pixel, inch, millimeter and also centimeter. So just choose which one. For example, I'm going to go with the width as okay. You can just type in here, and also the height like this, and you can just tap on create new design. So here you can see this is the custom size that I set for my Google Form banner. You can always adjust the size to how you like it by using the custom size on Canva. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on a